Hey guys, here's another tutorial for you for those who love to watch Asian dramas and movies on the phone. I have something for you. So for an Android user or Apple user, it works the same. So basically, to watch Asian dramas or movies, you just have to install an app. So basically, the app I'm using here is called RSS player. So as you can see here, you can actually search it in the Play Store or Google Store. So usually they'll have few types of RSS players. The one I'm using is called RSS Media Reader. So once it is installed, what you have to do is you have to open the app and go to the channel. Okay, so as you can see, you have home button and channel. So you go to channel and you have to enter this address. So this is called the RSS link for you to open and play any Asian channel, either Hong Kong, TVB, Japan, Korean, Taiwan dramas or movies. Okay, so as you can see, once you put the address, Asian drama link comes. So you go back to the home. Now what happens is when you press the Asian channel, so these are all the channels which are available. Okay, so as you can see, you got Chinese drama, Japan, Thailand, you have Chinese movies, and for those who love to watch Hong Kong drama, this is a sample. So you go into Hong Kong drama and they will actually put up all the latest dramas up to the oldies. Okay, and just remember that they will always update. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play one of the dramas and one of the episodes. Now remember, if you want to watch HD, make sure you choose the 720p. Okay, so usually there'll be an advertisement coming out, so you can just cancel it and
唔熟悉法律，麻煩書記從旁協助。大家冇問題，審訊繼續。
原告指控我喺2016年1月23日至到。
Okay guys, so that is just to show you a sample that the link really works. Okay, so you can actually check out all the links that they have put up here by the RSS link. So I'm showing you another one. I just played up to show you that it really works. Okay, so that is how do you actually can watch Asian channels on your phone. So provided you have internet connection, and this is the link. So just remember the link. You can play back and check it out, the link. So that's it guys. So see you again in another tutorial. See you again and enjoy your movies.